let's ride the elevator outside of Saks Fifth Avenue at the Polaris Fashion Place Mall in Columbus to say Schindler MT from 2001. Hope you enjoy this. Here's this elevator at Polaris Fashion Place. At Polaris Fashion Place. Own LL. I'm pretty much a contender to Schindler MT. They always run very nicely when I'm a rider. Probably because I like them, LOL. None of the lanterns work. Nice first floor. Going up. L2. U2. Nice elevator, especially for a mall through Fixtures. MT. ADA compliant zone. Probably a health link. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe to Otis Elevator Fan 102 and turn on post notifications for fun content and elevator videos.